Fruit is the best way to start your day. No coffee is ever going to beat this. There's just no come down and you just feel so vibrant and puts you in such a positive mindset for the rest of the day. Okay.
So here we have one of my favourite smoothies. This is banana passion fruit sugar smoothie. We have some tinned passion fruit, or if you can use fresh passion fruit if you have access to that. We have really nice spotty bananas. We've got a blender. We'll put them in. We've got, you can put cinnamon in there as well. That's actually just garlic, but minus that one. And this is a secret as well, put some sugar in there. I normally go organic sugar, but I couldn't find any this morning, so we'll pour that in there. And that gives you the extra kick all day. All day stamina. If you want all day stamina, start the day with some fibre, with refined sugar, and you're gonna be cranking all day. So it's gonna be 200 grams just in there. And keeps you lean. So there you go. It's my favourite smoothie. Abs made in the kitchen. And they've got almost 0 grams of fat in there, so it's fantastic. It's dissolving. Look at that. That's work of art right there. There we go. How's that taste, Natasha?
It's so sweet. It's lively.
Lively.
Yes.
So just another light-hearted, easy vegan recipe video. Vegan life's very, very easy. The goal is to veganize every moment in your life and just showcase it. Show people how easy a vegan lifestyle really is. Show them the results, and everyone's got something to show. All right? Everybody has got something to show to inspire other people around you. You might not be as fit as someone, or look like someone, but whatever. You've got something that someone else doesn't have, and you can use that to inspire them to veganize that moment in their life and their reality. So get out there, everyone. Just share your recipes, share your meals, share your inspirations, share your goals, share your successes, share your failures, share vegan advice. Build a vegan community. Let's get it strong, let's get it high carb, let's get it going. If you have any questions, comments, hit us up down below. We'll see you on the vegan road. Carb the fuck up. Keep on hitting it.